Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and on this guide I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create a Google Ads campaign and do a keyword research and also create your ads. Okay, so in order to use ChatGPT, as you all know, you have to sign up. ChatGPT was created by the company OpenAI, which created this chat to help you users to find out some answers to your question until the ChatGPT version 3. Now it will be of course updated, but for now I'm going to use this ChatGPT for free users just to make an Google Ads research for keywords and some headlines and descriptions for the ads on the service garage doors. So let's take for an example this request. Give me 5 examples of headlines up to 30 letters because it has a limit about the service garage doors, and of course I can add for Google Ads campaign if I want to. This will have more meaning to the chat, so it will give me the exact headlines that I want for Google Ads. Okay, so now I can give him of course the limit for 10 headlines, the same request but more headlines. It will give me more ideas, and the same thing I can do with descriptions up to 90 letters because that is the limit for description on the Google Ads. So I'm just changing this and this for descriptions, and if I want to, I can talk about the name of the business that I want the machine to write about. Let's say for this example, give me 5 examples of descriptions up to 90 letters about the service garage doors for Google Ads campaign with the recommendation, let's say for an example, XYZ company. Now let it write. This will give you, of course, the description up to 90 letters, sometimes even more because it has some glitches, with a recommendation on XYZ company, which is just the name I invented right now. And I can make it even shorter if I write less letters for this limitation. But let's say for the example, I can take this, make it shorter a little bit, and just put it on the ad. Now I can take the same request, take this off, and I want 10 examples of keywords. No need for limitation, and this will give me 10 examples of keywords about the service garage doors for Google Ads campaign to use and target on the Google Ads. Of course, it will give me some general keywords, not something very special. Now I can use those for my campaign. But if I ask him something general, like please help me prepare a keywords, and now I can ask him something more general, like please help me prepare a keywords research for a Google Ads campaign about the service garage doors. This general request will help the machine to give me more various of options. Let's take for this example, I'm not limiting it up to 10 examples. It will give me even more, as you will see right now. And also, it will give you 20 keywords. It's twice more than what I have asked for on the beginning without any limitations when I just ask it right now. And it will also give you an advice for this, like remember to use variations of these keywords such as different tenses or synonyms, and use negative keywords to avoid showing your ads to relevant searches. Additionally, consider using location-based keywords to target customers in specific areas. This is a great advice for the Google campaign that I'm going to use. Now, if I want to use this kind of research, I can of course get it even wider with broad match or maybe with exact match. And then my campaign will be even slightly more accurate, and will give me better results. As you saw, it's very easy to use ChatGPT to help you to create a Google Ads campaign. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below and I will comment. And on the first comment, I'm putting the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share, and good luck.